Welcome to Vietnam, a country where breathtaking landscapes, rich traditions, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. Our journey begins along Vietnam's spectacular coastline, where crystal clear waters and peaceful beaches offer unforgettable views. We then travel through the country's famous rice terraces, where endless shades of green stretch across the mountains, creating some of the most beautiful scenery in Southeast Asia. Continuing our adventure, we discover ancient temples that reflect Vietnam's cultural heritage before diving beneath the surface into a colorful underwater world filled with vibrant marine life. As the day comes to an end, Vietnam rewards us with breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in shades of gold, orange, and crimson. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the cinematic journey through the beauty and wonder of Vietnam.